What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, I want to show you 6 ways to remove a Sharkbite fitting. Whether it's a T, an elbow, it doesn't really matter as these tricks work on any push fitting and they're good to know if ever you need to remove one. Since this channel is all about learning, I cut a Sharkbite fitting in half to show you how they work in order to understand how to remove one. Basically, when the pipe is inserted, a bunch of small stainless steel teeth around the circumference of the fitting grab the pipe and don't allow it to be pulled out, which is a pretty neat concept. But for these little teeth to let go of the pipe, this collar needs to be pressed in, and to do that, you normally use a dedicated clip like this one, but I want to show you a few different ways to get it done otherwise, in case you don't have one on hand. Here's what it looks like when the teeth are being disengaged. The collar is pushed towards the inside of the fitting and releases the teeth to be able to be pulled out. So the first alternative, which is the easiest and most readily available, would be the adjustable wrench. Every plumber has an adjustable wrench, so only in a rare case would you be stuck not being able to remove one. The wrench works the same way as the dedicated tool. Just adjust the jaw to pipe size, use a bit of pulling force, and it should pop right off. This will work with a proper size wrench or pipe wrench. Just make sure it fits snugly on the pipe and depress the collar. It's that easy. The second alternative would be to use a pipe clip or pipe talon. These little clips are used on copper, PEX, and CPVC piping to hold the pipe in place on joists or in walls. But what's cool is that you could use them to remove a push fitting. If you're working with 1/2-inch PEX, get the appropriate size clip and depress the collar as you normally would. Pretty neat, right? The third alternative would be to use a hose clamp. What's nice about these hose clamps is that they're not hard to find if you're on a job site and they're adjustable. So one size clamp will fit multiple size pipes. Just undo it, set it to pipe size, and depress the collar like before. This trick is a must-have if you're a plumber that deals with these fittings often. The fourth alternative is kind of uncommon, but it's still a viable option, and it's using a bicycle wrench. This option is great if the fitting is really close to the wall as seen here and you can't fit your dedicated tool, or any other tool for that matter, in between. This is more of a do-it-yourselfer solution as not too many plumbers carry bicycle wrenches in their toolboxes. They often come in kits, so you should be able to find the right one. And I linked this kit in the description box below if you're interested. The fifth option would be to use your nails. As impossible as it may sound, it can be done. You just need to grasp it really good with your nails and pull on it. Something that helps here is to push the fitting towards the pipe to help release the teeth to make it a bit easier to pop off. And lastly, which is the most difficult one of them all, is using some cord. The cord trick is used when the fitting is really close to the wall and has no place to fit a tool. So what you do is you'd wrap the rope around the pipe and use a flossing motion to pull back on the collar. This trick doesn't always work either because the cord isn't strong enough or the position you're in isn't good, but it can be done as seen here. So there you go. Those were a few alternatives on getting a Sharkbite or push fitting off. Always make sure the water is closed off before removing a fitting like this or you'll get a big surprise. Everything I used in this video is linked in the description box below for you so you don't need to search around for it. And as always, like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed or learned something. And until the next video, thanks for watching.